Hi everybody, I'm Maxime at Attitude. I wanted to introduce you to Attitude's floor surface cleaner for tile and wood. First, I wanted to start off by saying that this product is perfect for cleaning any kind of floors, not just tiles and wood. You can use it on laminate, marble, porcelain, ceramic floors, and more. Our products are Eco-Logo certified to ensure that they're made under the best manufacturing practices. Plus, they're PETA certified. It's made with plant-based cleansing agents like saponin, a mild foaming agent that will get rid of dirt. It's available in two formats, the standard 1.04 liter bottle and the 2 liter Eco Refill format, which allows you to reduce your single-use plastic consumption. After dusting or vacuuming your floors, dilute a bit of the formula in warm water. You don't need to pour more than 1/4 of a cup in your bucket. Mop your floors and that's it. No rinsing is necessary. Simply allow your floor to air dry. This product can also be used to clean your toilet bowl. This cleaner has everything you're looking for. It doesn't contain any ingredients of concern. It's dermatologically tested, vegan, and sustainable. Plus, it's effective and smells great. It will leave no marks or streaks on the floor and leave your floor surfaces looking shiny. For more information about this or any other products, feel free to continue browsing through our online store to find out more. Thank you, and see you next time.